Hi everyone, my name is Ben, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the Pioneer WX140DA compact active subwoofer. Let's check it out. The demand for quality audio continues to grow, and bassless audio is a common complaint from consumers. Additionally, retaining as much space in the vehicle is also a very common request. That's where a compact active subwoofer like the Pioneer WX140DA can provide the solution you've been looking for. The WX140DA is extremely compact, measuring only 280mm wide, 200mm deep, with a height of only 70mm. Given its compact size, it's able to be installed in various small tight spaces where conventional subwoofers just simply can't fit. With the ability to fit under seats, behind seats, or inside small storage compartments, the WX140DA allows for a wide range of vehicle applications. The WX140DA is also the perfect addition for more bass in your electric vehicle. With a built-in high-efficiency 170-watt Class D amplifier, the maximum current draw is only 4.3 amps, so you won't have to worry about lower range due to your bass addiction. Compact size doesn't mean minimal performance. The WX140DA includes a built-in 170-watt Class D amplifier, deep throw woofer with aluminium cone, a new specially designed reinforced honeycomb structure, and digital bass control, a proprietary technology developed by Pioneer which allows you to increase the performance producing deep and powerful bass without the typical sacrifice in space. Audio tuning is directly in your hands with our new wide remote control, now including 3 preset bass modes: deep, dynamic, or natural, as well as gain control dial, frequency control dial, and phase switch. Dialing into the best settings for your favourite tracks is a breeze. And there you have it, the Pioneer WX140DA compact active subwoofer. Stunning looks, industry-leading technology, and impressive bass reproduction combine to ensure the latest version of this product continues to be a market leader. If you're needing a bass upgrade for your compact and mid-size vehicle or EV vehicle, make sure you visit your nearest authorised Pioneer dealer or our website today for more information.